Hi friends, my name is Mario. I'm a teacher of grade 1 or class 1. Friends, I'm going to teach you a lesson from Sangam's Paragon English Reader Book 1. The author of this book is M.S. Saud and Kumar Bahadur Rai, which is edited by Professor LAL SAPKOTA, PhD. Please turn over page number 25 and 26. साथीहरू तपाईको बुकको पेज नम्बर 25 र 26 पल्टाउनु होला. Friends, I am going to tell some words. Please repeat after me, okay? साथीहरू म केही वर्डहरू भन्न गइरहेको छु. म भन्दा पछाडी तपाईहरुले पनि मसँगै रिपिट गर्नु होला है त. First, let's learn some words from this lesson. Bench, benches. तपाई पनि भन्नुस् है. Teacher, sari, wearing, beautiful, famous, locality, qualified, sick, experienced, look after, brother, together, sitting, clock, moving. तपाईले यो भिडियोलाई लाइक गर्नु भएको छैन भने तल लाइक बटनमा गएर लाइक गर्नु होला र अन्य आफ्ना कुराहरू आफ्ना सुझावहरू छन् भने कमेन्ट बक्समा गएर कमेन्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. साथै साथीहरुका लागि पनि यो भिडियो उपयोगी हुन्छ भन्ने लाग्छ भने शेयर गरेर साथीहरुमाझ पुर्याउनु होला. Friends, let's study the lesson, okay? साथीहरु, अब हामी लेसन पढ्छौं. तपाईहरु पनि ध्यान दिएर हेर्नुस् है त. लेसन सुरु गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि एउटा ब्युटिफुल बटरफ्लाई को भिडियो हेरौं है त. This is beautiful butterfly, okay? Our school is famous in our locality. There are many teachers. They are all very qualified and experienced. There are 1,000 students. The students are hardworking and happy. This is our classroom. There are 8 benches and desks in our classroom. Our school building is big. It is built in a large compound. Every classroom is airy, bright and comfortable. Miss Gurung is our class teacher. She has a bag. Her bag is yellow. She is wearing a sari. Her sari is beautiful. There are drawings on the wall. My drawing is in the middle. I have many friends. Anu is one of them. Her bench is empty. She is sick. Her mother is looking after her. The other friend of mine is Luke. He has put his bag on the desk. His bag is green. His bench is at the front. Ari and Ram are brothers. They are sitting together. Their bags are brown. सब्स्क्राइब बटनमा गएर सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस् र सँगै आएको बेल आइकनमा दबाउनुहोस्। यसो भएको खण्डमा मैले निर्माण गरेको अन्य भिडियोहरू पनि तपाईहरुमाझ सहजै पुग्न सक्नेछ। Their benches are on the left. There is a board on the wall. Its color is black. There is a clock on the wall. Its hands are moving. Dear friends, कपी र पेन्सिल रेडी छ हैन? त्यो कपी र पेन्सिल रेडी भएको भए तपाईको बुकको पेज नम्बर 26 मा लेसनमा रेड कलरमा लेखिएको वर्ड्स छ नि, हो त्यो सबै वर्ड्सहरु आफ्नो कपीमा टिप्नुहोस्। यो तपाईलाई होमवर्क भयो है त। यति गर्नुभयो भने म तपाईहरुलाई एउटा ब्युटिफुल बटरफ्लाई गिफ्ट गर्नेछु। थ्यांक यू। सी यू। बाय।